Thank you for choosing to find information about your health. You know that health is wealth. What I have in my hands is a combination of turmeric powder, ginger, and lemon. Very good for health. I will tell you the reason for which I'm taking it very soon. But as you know, health is wealth, as I have already said. But until you get to know the real meaning, you will not appreciate it. About a month ago, I was attacked by RA, which is Rheumatoid Arthritis. For those of you who may not know what rheumatoid arthritis is, it's basically an autoimmune disease which affects the joints. In fact, the immune system begins to fight against itself, and as a result, you begin to experience swellings or inflammation on your joints. All joints. It could be shoulders, it could be knee, or it could be the ankle, or even your toes. It is a very painful experience, and that I will not wish even for my enemy, because when you experience it, you will not be able to walk, you will not be able to carry out your normal duties, and in fact you'll be indoors for as long as you have that, and if you're not careful, it becomes a chronic disease on you. When it happened, I decided to attend to medical care, which is orthodox, the one that we would always by default attend to. What I realized after 2 weeks was that the drugs were not as effective as I was expecting, because those drugs were actually lowering or trying to lower my immune system, the efficacy of it, such that it will not fight against itself. So I tend to local remedies. I tend to homemade remedies. And to do this, I decided to read around and to research. And I found a whole wealth of information that has been very helpful in dealing with this. And I think that I'm supposed to share this with you. In fact, you don't have to get into my situation before you begin to find solutions to it. You must begin now. You have to try and prevent yourself from getting into some of these situations: arthritic rheumatism, gout, heart diseases, and diabetes, and all those things, which are lifestyle diseases which actually come out as a result of what we take in. You know that you are what you eat. In other words, when you take in junk food, it affects your health. So it is important that we select what we eat. And how do we do that? And that is what I have found out. And it is really helping me very much. And I think that you should also follow suit so that you can have a healthy system. It is very important. So from now, I will be making a lot of videos showing the benefits of the various food ingredients, the various fruits, the various vegetables, the health benefits, so that you will also benefit from them. So what I really want from you is that I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can benefit from such videos, and then try and like this channel, and then share with your friends, your family, your loved ones, everybody whom you want to benefit from, so that we all learn and make sure that we secure our health. Stay tuned. Today we want to look at how to benefit from turmeric powder, lemon, and ginger. This is very, very healthy. We all know what lemon is. This is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. We have lemon, and then we have our ginger. How do these three items benefit us? That is what we are looking at today. First, let's take the turmeric powder. In fact, generally, what we are to prepare is to boost our immunity, and therefore, if we are to take it every morning, our immune system will be boosted. Okay, so it is important that we actually take this. These three items are full of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, which help to clean our system and then boost our immunity. Now let's take them one by one. We have turmeric powder. This powder is rich in what we call curcumin, and curcumin prevents the body from free radicals damage. There are a lot of toxins in our system, free radicals, that cause a lot of damage to our health or to our body. And therefore, if you have turmeric powder, the curcumin in it will help you so that the free radicals in your system will be cleared and then they don't cause a lot of damage into you. Apart from that, we also know that turmeric powder has antibacterial and antiviral properties that really help you to fight bacteria and viruses in your system. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to heal arthritic pain and inflammation. So when you take turmeric powder, this is how you're going to benefit from it. Number one, it helps in liver health. It clears the toxins in the livers and makes sure that you are healthy as far as your liver is concerned. That aside, it also helps in digestion and weight loss. If you want to control your weight, turmeric powder is for you. The next one to talk about is the lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps to clear the toxin and boost our immune system. It is also rich in vitamin B6, and then it is rich in antioxidants, copper, potassium, and other minerals. Apart from that, it also helps fight indigestion. Lemons also have what we call anti-aging properties. The more you take lemon, the more you age slowly. You age slowly. Yes, in other words, you grow younger. Yes, that is what lemons do. And that it also has anti-inflammatory properties that will help fight arthritis and pains and all inflammatory related diseases. The next one to talk about is the ginger. Ginger has analgesic properties. Analgesic properties are simply properties that help to reduce pain in your body. It also has sedative properties. You want to sleep and sleep well? Take ginger. And that aside, it also has antioxidants that will help boost your immunity and clear all the toxins in your system. It is very, very important. Ginger also helps to boost our digestion. If you have problems with digestion, try and take ginger. It boosts our immunity and it also helps to reduce menstrual pain because of the analgesic properties that is in it. And that aside, it also helps to flush out all toxins. Now, how do we prepare what I have been taking? That is the combination of turmeric, lemon, ginger, and water. How do you do it? This is the recipe. Step 1. Boil a glass of water with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder or ginger roots, whichever you may have. Just 1 teaspoon of it. Boil it. Step 2. Strain the water into a glass. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon, the lemon juice. Just squeeze a teaspoon into it. And then you add just half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then if you want, you can add some honey for taste, if that is what you want. But you can also decide to vary it. There's a variation to it if you want. And the variation is simply people who love to take tea in the morning or coffee. What you do is this. You will, in the step 1, prepare your tea as you would like it, But make sure there is no sugar, there is no milk. Yes, because this is medicinal. And then step 2, add ginger powder, just a teaspoon of ginger powder. And then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then 1 teaspoon of lemon. You can add some honey if you want. Okay, yes. So basically that is it, and you will benefit from all that we have talked about. Your immune system will be boosted, and then the toxins in your system will be cleared. Your digestive system will work better. You can sleep well. The inflammations in your body or the pain caused by arthritis will be reduced and cleared with time if you do it every morning. It also has analgesic properties that help to reduce the pain that is associated with arthritis and other infections. What else would you want? Those who want to fight menstrual pain, this is for you. And that aside, if you also want to reduce your weight, if you want to age slowly, all these are for you. So try it every morning and see the benefits. I will come your way with another video on the benefits of the various fruits, vegetables, spices, and how we can benefit from them. And that is why I would want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can benefit from them. Thank you very much for watching.